Welcome back, my friends. Today we're going to draw this adorable little frog together. Let's get started. As always, I'm editing texture that covers the whole canvas. This step is optional, but it makes the illustration look a bit more interesting and lively. To make the drawing process easier, I'll use the symmetry tool. You can turn it on from the actions menu. This feature really speeds up the process, especially if you are new to digital art. Remember, our main goal here to enjoy the process, not to chase perfect lines. Now, as you can see, I've started with the first construction sketch. This is where we block out the basic shapes and lines of the frog using simple geometry. When you move on to a new layer, make sure the Symmetry Assist is turned on for that layer too. To do that, tap the layer and choose Drawing Assist. Once sketch is done, let's move to the main drawing. I prefer to fill areas manually with the brush strokes instead of using color drop fill, but of course you can fill it however you like. Even though we don't have all the details yet, let's add a bit of shadow right away. On the shadow layer, I changed the blend mode to multiply. I like this way because it's really simple and works every time. For the legs, I'll make a gradient from the green at the top to yellow near the toes. And again, I use the selection tool to keep the coloring inside the shape. By the way, if that vertical symmetry line in the middle of your canvas distracts you, you can hide it in the symmetry settings. And that's it. Here our cute little frog. I hope you'll give it a try too. Don't forget to share your drawing and tag me. I can't wait to see what you create, and see you next video. Bye.